Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Deloitte NLA updated exam pattern 25. In the video, we will discuss about engineering hiring, BCA, BSc hiring and BBA, BCom, Commerce and allied courses hiring exam process, updated exam pattern and free resources. Guys, like and share the video. We are sharing the free preparation and free resources with all of you. There is no paid test, there is no other of the courses. All the free preparation videos are uploaded on our channel. You can see 1 month ago we already updated the pattern videos as well as the actual aptitude question and answer, selected candidate interview experience. So the thing is, apply for opportunity and let's start the video. First of all, you can also directly find the syllabus from NLA website. This is engineering hiring portal. So you will find you have to click on learn more. So you will find the complete PDF. Okay. I am also sharing the PDF link with all of you. So you can check that. Same it is for BCA, BSc. You can find this PDF. Okay. Same it is for the commerce and allied courses. You can find the particular PDF. Okay. But I prepared one PPT for all of you in which I will share each and everything with all of you. Okay. So first of all, we are discussing about the introduction, Deloitte hiring process, exam pattern, free resources and conclusion. Okay. So let's start. So as we know that Deloitte National Level Assessment Gateway 2 is announced, okay, and it is a very good opportunity for all of you. There is a engineering hiring, BCA, BSc hiring and commerce and allied courses hiring, and courses are mentioned here. Engineering, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, undergraduate, BCA, BSc and commerce, BBA, BCom, BBM, BMS and BFS. Okay. So let's discuss about the recruitment process of Deloitte in detail. So first of all, you can see on my screen that it is a updated recruitment process. First of all, registration will be there. After that, there is a next shortlisting process. So after registration, there is a shortlisting. After that, your online assessment will be conducted. After that, your online interview will be there and final result will be there. For that, I already shared the resume format with all of you. So you have to apply with that resume format. So your profile should be shortlisted and you will receive the next online assessment. After clearing the next online assessment, online interview will be there and final interview. So the registration last date is 13th January 2025. So we are expecting exam mail after this date. Okay, most probably, or the exam mail or the slot mail. You have to book the slot. So Deloitte hiring process. In the Deloitte hiring process, I have request from all of you that please check on their website that how to create great resume, do's and don't in the virtual interviews or recruitment process, and know your recruitment tool. Check out the guidelines for candidate with respect to recruitment tool. You can find all of the information on NLA page. Okay, when you go to the home section, okay, like when you go to the home section, so you will find the NLA by national level assessment. Registration tools are now open. Okay, and when you click here, so you will find everything, tips, resources, do's and don'ts, and know your recruitment tool. Okay, it is very, very important. Let's discuss about the Deloitte exam pattern. That is very, very important. One most important point that we are discussing about pattern for the engineering hiring, BCA, BSc and commerce. So let's discuss about the engineering hiring exam pattern. So your role is analyst trainee for that, and your compensation will 4 lakh plus variable benefit. Okay. The qualification required is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and 25 batch. You are eligible for opportunity, and you are eligible for opportunity an aggregate of 60% or equivalent CGPA. You should not have applied to any of the profile in the last 6 months. This is cooling period. Let's discuss about the exam pattern. Okay, you can also find this exam pattern through the official website PDF. So the NLA Gateway to Engineering Hiring is designed to evaluate your across multiple skills. The time duration of test is 90 minutes. Okay, so what is the time duration of test? Time duration of test is 90 minutes. Fine. 65 question in the multiple choice format and 2 question in the live programming coding format. Okay, so we have MCQs, okay, in which total 65 number of questions are there, and in the coding live programming, okay, we have 2 questions. So total we can understand that in the examination 67 questions are there, 65 of MCQ, 2 programming and coding, and 90 minutes time is there. This test is fully protocoled using video and audio. During the test, your video and audio would be recorded and analyzed to ensure the integrity of test. The test is divided into 4 section. Fine, the test is divided into 4 section. For each section you will get dedicated time duration within the overall duration of test. Okay, so one most important point, this is a first section, second section, third section and fourth section. So you will get dedicated time for each section, okay, within the overall duration of test. Okay, if you run out of time before completing any section, you will be move forward to next section immediately. ओके जैसे फर्स्ट सेक्शन में आपको 20 मिनट्स दिए हैं या 15 मिनट्स दिए हैं, तो जैसे ये कंप्लीट होंगे नेक्स्ट सेक्शन पे आप मूव ऑन हो जाएंगे, फिर थर्ड वाले पे, फिर फोर्थ वाले पे. वंस यू मूव टू द सेक्शन अहेड यू विल नॉट एबल टू कम बैक टू प्रीवियस सेक्शन. If you completed the first section, okay, and if you started the second section, so you will not like move back to the previous section. The 5 section will present 4 different varieties of question. Okay, so they mention there is a like the sections. Okay, so we are discussing the first section is language skills and language skills English section, in which 10 MCQ and 3 fill in the blanks question. So total number of questions are 13. As we know that 65 MCQs are there, okay, and 2 coding question in the live programming format. Okay, so 10 MCQ and 3 fill in the blanks question. This section will evaluate your ability to understand and use in the workplace. This question will measure your knowledge of English vocabulary, grammar, sentence construction, sentence arrangement and overall language comprehension. Okay, so 13 questions are there, 10 MCQ and 3 fill in the blanks. Then second section is general aptitude, reasoning ability and cons ability. Okay, fine, the second section come, in which 12 MCQ and 10 are there. Okay, 12 and 10 are there, so 22 number of question are there. In first section 22, in second section 13 questions are there. Okay, so this section consists of 12 MCQ in reasoning ability and 10 MCQ in quantitative ability. This section will evaluate your general cognitive skills, reasoning skills and your ability to work with data. Different question have different instruction. You must read and understand the instruction. Some question may involve basic numerical calculation, so it is advised to keep a pen and paper handy. Okay, no need to worry about pen and paper. You can use in the Deloitte examination. They clearly mention that. Okay, so the thing is, how many questions are completed? In first 13 questions are there, and in second section 12 MCQ of reasoning and 10 MCQ in quantitative ability. Okay, so total basically total 35 questions is completed in both of the two section, 13 plus 22. After that the third part will be there, technical MCQ, in which 30 MCQs are there. This section will evaluate your knowledge in testing, computer science, network, cyber security and cloud computing. So this is overall a CSE based, or we can say that computer science related based section. This section will evaluate your programming acumen and programming language capability in the chosen programming language. Okay, so how many number of question? Total 30 questions are there. So 35 plus 30, 65 questions are completed, and this is the 65 number of MCQs, guys. Okay, 65 number of MCQ in first section, 13 MCQ, second section 22 MCQ, third section 30 MCQ, and after that your final fourth section will be there, technical skills and coding. This section 1 live coding nugget and 1 live programming question. Okay, so total number of question 2, so 65 plus 2 is total 67 question is completed, and you have 90 minutes of time. The coding nugget and the programming question both evaluate your knowledge of programming language and your ability to write syntactically correct code, while the programming question additionally evaluate your logical thinking and problem solving skills. So in the nugget, basically in the nugget they will वो कुछ आपको कोड का पार्ट दे देंगे, उसे आपको कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. एंड बेसिकली इन द नेक्स्ट प्रोग्रामिंग क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू पास द ऑल द टेस्ट केसेस. ओके, in the nugget you have to also pass the test cases, but in programming question many test cases are there. You will need to write code using the online editor. You will able to select the programming language. This will include C, C++, C#, Java, Python, etc. You will able to evaluate your code compile and execute option. Okay, if the code compiles successfully, you will able to see how many hidden test cases managed to pass and fail. The last version of code you submit will considered as final evaluation. जो लास्ट में आप सबमिट करोगे, ओके वही फाइनल इवेल्युएशन रहेगा. सो देयर आर 4 सेक्शन, English section, reasoning ability, quants, technical MCQ and coding section. Okay, fine. This is for engineering hiring. Let's discuss about the BCA and BSc hiring, in which role is associate analyst. Package is 3.25 LPA and this is the eligibility. You can check BCA, BSc can apply. Similarly, in this 90 minutes of time are there. Okay, so first of all, what is in the engineering hiring? In the engineering hiring, total 90 minutes of time and you have 67 number of question. Okay, but in this, okay, UG Science Higher Pro is designed to evaluate your across. So 54 number of MCQs are there and 2 questions in the live programming format. So total like 56 number of questions are there. Okay, total 56 questions are there and you have 90 minutes of time. 54 are MCQ and live programming coding format. This test is divided into 5 sections. So what are the number of 5 sections? The sections, how many 5 sections? Just see. First section, logical reasoning. Second section, quant. Third section, technical MCQ. Fourth section, and technical skills coding is the 5th section. That's why they mention the test is divided into 5 section. For each section you will get dedicated time duration. Okay, separate time मिलेगा. If you run out of time before completing any section, you will be move forward to next section automatically. So time का खास ख्याल रखना है. Okay, you have to keep mind through the time. That is very very important. The 5 section will present 4 different variety of question. So same, the first section is English, in which 13 MCQs are there. Okay, total 13 MCQs are there. 5 comprehension MCQ, 5 comprehension MCQ. Okay, and the 2 fill in the blanks. Okay, so how many number of questions in the particular section? This number of questions are 20. Fine. After that, logical reasoning and quantitative ability there. In this section 14 MCQ in logical reasoning and 10 MCQ in quantitative ability. Okay, so 14 plus 10 is basically 24. Okay, so this section, the first section is English, second is logical and quant, and this is all the guidelines they mention. They will check your cognitive skills, reasoning skills and ability to work with data. Okay, numerical calculation, so it is advised to keep a pen and paper handy. After that, the fourth section will become the section consist of 17 MCQ. Fine, 17 MCQs are there, in which knowledge of computer science, data structure, network and cloud computing are there in the chosen area. Okay, so basically 17 MCQs are there. So how many number of questions completed in the first section? 20. Second and third, second and third section 24. Okay, and fourth section is 17. Okay, fine. And so how many number of question completed? How many number of question completed? They mention 54 question. Okay, so the 54 questions is completed for the particular MCQ. Okay, according to the MCQ, they mention no need to worry about that, like English section, logical reasoning, quant and technical MCQ. After that, technical skills coding will be there. This section consists of 2 live coding nuggets. In the BCA, BSc hiring, nuggets are there. The nugget question will evaluate your knowledge of programming language and your ability to write syntactically correct code. You will need to write code using provide online coder editor. Okay, C, C++, C#, Java, Python will be there. Okay, that is the point. The last version of code you submit will be considered as final version. So this is about the BSCA and BSc hiring pattern. Let's discuss about the commerce and allied courses hiring. Okay, in which compensation is 3.25 lakh and associate analyst is the role, and this is the eligibility. Okay, in that 90 minutes of time are there and only 75 question in the MCQ. Okay, in that only 75 questions in the MCQ. The test is divided into 4 sections. For each section you will get dedicated time duration. Same things that is repeated in the BCA, BSc and the engineering hiring. Okay, general aptitude are there, logical reasoning and quantitative ability. So first section, second section, third section English and fourth section is finance and accounting, because they mention this test is divided into 4 sections. So total 15 question and 15 question. 15 question of logical and analytical reasoning ability and 15 MCQ and quant. So total number of question is 30. After that 30 MCQs are there. Okay, so how many number of questions completed? 60 MCQ. Okay, how they mention 75. Okay, and after that 15. So 60 plus 60 plus 15 is equals to 75. Okay, so the thing is, first is general aptitude, logical reasoning and quantitative ability. Second, first and second. Third is your English 30 MCQ including 9 comprehension MCQ. They will check English vocabulary, grammar, sentence construction, arrangement, everything. Fourth section is finance and accounting skills, in which they will evaluate your knowledge, finance and accounting, fundamental, auditing, reporting, banking theory, costing, everything. Okay, so this is about the Deloitte exam pattern of particular commerce and allied courses. Let's discuss about the free resources for engineering hiring. As we know that there are multiple section. First section is English, second is reasoning, third is quant. For that you can check the IndiaBix website. Okay, you will find 1000 plus question and aptitude question and answer for GFG website. Okay, you will find the free mock test as well. Okay, free mock test as well on the Geeks for Geeks website, in which every topic you can prepare. You can simply go to IndiaBix website, you can find everything. Okay, you can find the mock test as well. Okay, there are everything mentioned here. And if we search for aptitude aptitude question and answer, so we will find the GFG website, in which quantitative aptitude topics are there. Okay, logical reasoning topic, verbal ability topic, everything is present on the GFG website and IndiaBix website. Okay, next section is technical MCQ. For technical MCQ, they mention testing, computer science, network and cyber security and cloud computing. For testing, you can check the Java T-Point website, Interview Bit website and Sen Foundry website. You can directly go to the Google. You can write like this, software testing MCQ. So you will find Java T-Point website, Sen Foundry website and others website. Okay, so after that computer science. Okay, for computer science you can directly write computer science topic MCQ, topic wise multiple choice question. Geeks for Geeks are there. Okay, India Sen Foundry website are there, in which 1000 plus MCQs are there with free MCQ. Okay, every MCQs are there. 1000 plus computer science MCQs and answer, topic wise multiple choice question. Network, this is computer science. If I am talking about the network and cyber security, so you can check the Sen Foundry website, you can check the Java T-Point website. For cloud computing also you can follow this website for everything. Okay, they mention everything. Let's discuss about the coding, that is very very important. One live coding nugget and one live programming question. For that I suggest everyone to watch the previous year question series on YouTube. Solve so many questions, solve more and more previous year question. You can check our channel for free preparation series. If you want a free preparation, we will come up with video as soon as possible. HackerRank Lead Code practice platform. Okay, HackerRank Lead Code, Code Chef, okay, HackerEarth. These are the free platform where you can practice so many questions. Next is BCA BSc hiring free resources, in which English, logical reasoning and quantitative ability there. Same you can follow the IndiaBix website and GFG website. Okay, and if I'm talking about the technical MCQ, so in which computer science are there, computer science GFG website, Sen Foundry. For data structure you can find the Sen Foundry and Java T-Point website. For networking related you can check the Sen Foundry website. For cloud computing related you can check the Sen Foundry and Java T-Point website. If I am talking about the free resources for commerce, okay, but in the BCA BSc hiring the coding are also there. Okay, so same previous year question on YouTube. On our channel you can check HackerRank Lead Code practice platform. If I am talking about the free resources for commerce and allied courses, so in which logical and analytical reasoning ability and quants ability, IndiaBix website and GFG website is enough and very good. Okay, because it will cover the whole aptitude. Okay, after that English section you can also check from IndiaBix and aptitude Geeks for Geeks website. But in that there is some separate section, that is finance and accounting skills MCQ. For that you can check the Exam Veda website, textbook website for finance MCQ. Okay, so in which you can check the accounting related fundamental, finance related fundamental, auditing, reporting, banking theory, costing, etc. One most important point, 1 month ago we already shared the updated exam pattern. everything, biggest update, NLA actual update, exam result is declared, selected candidate experience. So we are sharing everything for free. If you have any question and answer, let me know in the comment section. I hope you like the video and it will clear all of your doubt related to updated exam pattern and free resources. I am also giving some link is in the description, you can check. I hope you like the video. You can follow this playlist, that is definitely helpful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video. Best wishes for NLA examination.